Brad Williams, Excel primed. Show all text before the first space in a new list. Well, what's the first space? Daniel. What's the first space? Terrence. Griffin. What's the first space? Nancy. What's our output? Daniel. Terrence. Nancy. F9. Notice doctor, it picked up the period. Here's our delimiter. Space, same as text after, using the same approach. Read it if you need it. Take a look at the anatomy. Mix it up if you want to. And try to incorporate this in a different format. You have a space. You wanted everything after the second space. Incorporate that using the different tools here. In this particular case, it would be, for example, after the M. How would you incorporate Scott M into this function? Let me know. Brad Williams, Excel primed.